In this video, we are going to look on how to integrate Google Calendar with Zoom. First, open up Google Calendar and sign in to your account. Then, click on the settings icon and click on Get Add-ons. On the search bar, search Zoom and click on Zoom for Google Workspace. Click on Install. Then click on Continue. First, log into your Zoom account. Then on your Google Calendar, click on Create. Then click on Event and set your time and date accordingly. Now on the right side, click on the Zoom logo and sign in to your Zoom account. And click on Confirm. Now your Zoom account has been successfully connected to your Google Calendar. You can then finish setting up your event, like adding title and confirming time. Then click here. And here you can see it automatically creates a Zoom link. After all this, just click on Save. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.